Hello guys, in today's comparison video review, the most cost-effective rugged phones you can buy right now. The DOOGEE S series smartphones, with their exceptional versatility, have become trusted companions for explorers, outdoor enthusiasts, and all those who run an active lifestyle. DOOGEE S118 Pro and the DOOGEE S119 will measure their strengths, features, and differences against each other, so check out today's video review to see which one is your favorite. Today we have two new challengers in the world of rugged phones, the DOOGEE S118 Pro in orange color combination and the DOOGEE S119 in a green box combination. Let's take a look at the contents of the boxes. So both the S118 Pro and the S119 come with the same box content, which include the following: user manual written in many languages, complete with the warranty card, extra screen protector as accessories. There is also a sleek black USB charging cable. Last but certainly not least, we have a 32-watt fast charger. Now that we examine the contents of the boxes, let's refocus our attention on the smartphone themselves. The first time you take a device out of the box and you immediately feel weight, solidity and strength. When you take them in your hand, it's clear to you there is no jokes here. The S118 Pro and the S119 feel like they could survive a fall from a mountain, not just a simple drop from a table. That rubberized but elegant design frame and metal sides further amplifies their readiness for extreme conditions. It is already visible at the very start. The S118 Pro wants to be a sport car among rugged phones, beautiful, fast and fluid. The S119 goes in the direction of versatility. It offers a large screen and a secondary display for added convenience. Now let's take a look and compare the external functions, buttons and the ports between them. So on the right side of both phones we have two volume buttons. Below them is a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phones we have a SIM and a micro SD tray. There is already the first difference between them. So the DOOGEE S118 Pro has two free slots, supports 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with a capacity of up to 2 TB, while the DOOGEE S119 offers a better option. It has 3 free slots, 2 4 nano SIM cards and 1 4 TF card with the capacity of up to 2 TB. Below of the both phones we can see this programmable button here. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications for up to 3 functions simultaneously and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. At the bottom in the middle of the phones we have USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproofing. Each of them also has a microphone hole. DOOGEE S119 has a speaker grills down at the bottom. DOOGEE S118 Pro, it has a front-facing stereo speakers. You can see that the dual grills down as well as up top. The phone excels at that, delivering superb surround sound from those speakers. Now let's take a look at the phones from the front and see what kind of screens they bring. Both phones come with the 1080 by 2408 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The DOOGEE S118 Pro comes with a 6.6 inch FHD Plus display, while the S119 comes with a slightly larger 6.72 inch FHD Plus IPS screen. Both screens have a water drop notch, in which the S118 Pro has a Sony 32 megapixel selfie camera, while the S119 has a more modest 60 megapixel Each of them shoots in Full HD resolution, selfies are excellent, as well as video calls, both with the face unlock function. The biggest advantages of the S118 Pro is delivering the 120Hz refresh rate, incredible smoothness and a real buttery smooth feeling. Scrolling to the applications, browsing the internet, playing games, everything happens flawlessly and without any jerks. The colors on the screen are vibrant and rich, the details are flawlessly sharp, and the visibility at the angle are excellent. All in all, you feel that you are using a device that is both resistant and premium. Now, the S119 model is dominated by a more spacious 6.72-inch FHD Plus IPS screen, although it does not have a 120Hz refresh rate like the S118 Pro. The S119 offers a superb image display. Contrast and brightness are in a great level. The screen can be used outdoors in bright sunlight without any problems. For everyday tasks but also multimedia enjoyment, the S119 provides an impressive big screen experience in a pocket format but without 120Hz, which can be a plus on the one hand because it saves battery. The S119 has a second trump card, which is a secondary screen on the back, a 1.32-inch round AMOLED display with an ultra-sharp visual experience. You can track calls, messages, notifications, battery level. There is also a monthly date view, a compass, and even set your own personalized watch design. And there is a whole bunch of already made watch faces design. The secondary screen brings a new dimension of convenience, all important information in the palm of your hand, without the need to constantly turn on the main screen and drain the battery. When we talk about the cameras, DOOGEE S118 Pro comes with a 180 megapixel ultra high resolution main camera. It has the best video capabilities with anti-shake stabilization. It can record videos up to 4K maximum resolution. There is also a night camera, 20 megapixel night vision with the infrared sensor, a real beast for night photography. And the third lens is an ultra wide angle and a macro camera 8 megapixel, sufficient for capturing wide frames, group photos or spectacular landscapes. DOOGEE S119 comes with slightly more modest numbers in terms of megapixel. Main camera 100 megapixel ultra clear with anti-shake stabilization, can record videos with a maximum resolution of 1080 pixels. There is also 20 megapixel night vision camera with the infrared sensor for those moments you can see in total darkness, and the ultra wide angle camera 5 megapixel is also here, still useful for wide shots. Now, to get a feel for camera performance is to best check out our sample photos and videos we took using our S118 Pro and S119 side by side, so let's take a look. DOOGEE S118 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor, one of the strongest chips in the class, made in a modern 6nm process. The S118 Pro comes with a basic 8GB of RAM, and with additional virtual expansion it can be raised up to impressive 24GB of total working memory. In addition, it has a 512GB of internal storage and support microSD card up to 2TB. In practice, this means that the device easily handles the most demanding applications, works extremely fast, and enables brutal multitasking without slowing down, playing graphically demanding games at a high resolution, editing large photos, recording 4K video. All this runs smoothly and safe here. DOOGEE S119 is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 12nm process chip, known for its stability and power efficiently. Its base RAM is 8GB, also expandable by virtual RAM up to a total of 24GB. Enables solid multitasking and reliable operations with multiple apps open simultaneously. The S119 also has 512GB of internal storage and a microSD card expansion up to 2TB, making it ideal for users who need plenty of space for documents, photos and videos. When it comes to gaming, the difference is still visible. The S119 will handle casual games and light tasks without any problems, but more serious gaming still require a little more patience. Both devices come with a pre-installed Android 14, clean and optimized without unnecessary applications. Android 14 brings a new user interface, more advanced privacy protection, better notification management and more efficient battery management, making both devices ready for long-lasting and secure operations. The DOOGEE S118 Pro has a little larger 10,800 mAh battery, while the S119 comes with a slightly smaller but still powerful 10,200 mAh battery. Both phones support 33W fast charging, so the battery can be topped up in a relatively short time. As for the Wi-Fi connectivity, the S118 Pro supports more advanced Wi-Fi 6 standard, which allows faster and more stable wireless connectivity, while the S119 uses the slightly older Wi-Fi. When it comes to Bluetooth technology, the advantage is also on the side of the S118 Pro model, which uses Bluetooth 5.2, known for better energy efficient, longer range and fast data transfer. The S119 sticks to the old but proven Bluetooth 4.2 standard, which still works solidly but doesn't offer benefits of new view technologies. In terms of navigation, both devices support GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo systems, enabling precise positioning and stable use of navigation applications. There is no significant difference between the models here, so both devices will serve users who frequently use GPS functions equally well. Both phones are designed to be extremely durable and robust, making them perfect for demanding conditions. Both equipped with IP68 and IP69K certifications, which means that it's resistant to water, dust and even high pressure water jets. It also has MIL STD 810H military certification, which confirms its ability to withstand extreme temperatures, shocks and drops. The DOOGEE S118 Pro and S119 are strong, durable phones, but each has its own strengths. The S118 Pro offers the better cameras with a powerful 180 megapixel main sensor and a stronger support for photography in all conditions. along with a larger battery, faster Wi-Fi 6 and more modern Bluetooth 5.2. On the other hand, the S119 stands out with a unique additional screen on the back, which allows you to quick view notifications, calls and informations without having to turn on the main screen. If a high-end camera and advanced wireless connections are more important to you, the S118 Pro is a better choice, while the S119 will attract users who appreciate the practicality, style and innovative functions on the secondary screen, but also a slightly more favorable price. Official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Which is your favorite, DOOGEE S118 Pro or maybe S119? Feel free to write in comments below. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.